practice what I preach. So here's the yellow. So see, this is that molecule just flipped upside down, so you gotta be able to spot that. Now we got a double bond to a diamond. Color it in like I just said, because I would have got confused right there. Huh? So, and it's gonna have bond to there and then a methyl off to the side. So if you want to do a little confidence deal and color something in, go for it. Methyls are 1, 2, 3s. Oxygens are done, you can color those in. So see, the beauty is when it's colored in, it's finished. So oxygens, really, when you're drawing these structures with letters, that's the most complicated part. Here, they're easier. They're just 2 bonds. Color it in, you're done. Let's see. SchroederDiamond will color him in. And this one here. Okay. So now what we're going to have are some 6-membered ring here. First carbon up gets a double bond, so great. See, when you're doing this normally, you don't like double bonds because it's more confusing, harder to keep track. But now we like it because it takes the bonds and simplifies it, because there's 2 of them done right there. So there's a SchroederDiamond. Color it in. And this is going to go down just to a regular carbon. So see here now, we're even drawing diamond to diamond. We used to draw lines, and now we're so good at a double bond. Draw the yellow in there. And you can number them if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more member in that ring. What's an oxygen? So just O, O. Where's the marker? We got to make these O's bigger. Oxygen is way bigger than carbon. And that's an ether, so we'll just color it in. Color that in. So O's got to be way bigger. Same here. Big O. Big O tires, huh? And a free plug. Alright. So this is the same thing here. This is what they're called smoke water. I gotta look that up. Find more what they're talking about with that. Caricins. These are interesting molecules. You want to draw the aliens in there? Go right ahead. I don't want to spend time. We're on a limited time basis today. So the significant carbons. I see another SchroederDiamond right there. And now all we need are the hydrogens. Let's try the marker. Where's the red marker? Double bond, so it's going to leave 1. Double bond there, so it's going to leave 1. 1. So look at that. Now you can really distinguish these carbons by their colors, huh? So what do we got? Brown is the 1s. One, 1. So these kind of are aromatic, right? The black and brown carbons are just like the benzene rings, and the oxygen's lone pairs may come into those double bonds there and make this aromatic. I always say it is anytime, but they get real technical about what exactly is. But I'll bet these electrons are shared all over the face of this thing. Now we need our purple is what we chose for the methyls. So there you go. We got those done. That ring is this ring upside down. Alright, what do we got next here? Okay, we got some big molecules we're doing. So here's going to be a Delta 9. This is the one everybody claims to know here, huh? Okay, we're going to start probably right here. So let's go diamond to a diamond with a double bond. Draw the yellow in. And that's going to have a methyl up and one down. So do another diamond down here. Draw methyl up in there. Finish that. Tell you what, whenever you get a methyl out there, draw the hydrogens on so it finishes it off. Then we can focus in more on the ring. Okay. So there's a 6-membered ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 2 more. We could do brother sister sideways here if we wanted. Let's see. We want to catch. We're going to have one coming off this way. So let's get that diamond out there. And to finish off the ring, it's going to have one coming down off this one. So let's go down and just connect it however you want. We'll use the line to be safe. So we're just going to draw a diamond in there and then we'll connect it. Connect it on the side. Now this diamond here, it's got one that goes up. You get an OH off that, but draw the other one down. Big O. We'll finish that in a second. So now coming around here, 4, 5. We had 6 in that ring. Now we're going to have another 6 ring that's coming off this. This goes over, down. That can't be right. These two should be next to each other. How many do we got here? 1 up to a double bond with a methyl on it. To a 1, 2, to a 1, 2. Okay, this should come off there. No biggie. So I told you, this is how you do it. You got to double check yourself as you move along. It's not the line, it's this one. Be a believer. You can do it. All right. So just cover that up. Bring the diamonds, because we got to get this ring here in there, and I'm like, there's too big a space. Six. We'll just count backwards since numbers are 6, 5. 1, 2, 3. Only 4 is missing, and that's an O. So we can draw the O, watch this, right in the middle here to take care of both those inner ones. It's an ether, so we'll just color it in. And it looks like there's 2 methyls coming off this guy, so we're going to use the markers since we